Behind me is our new E46 M3. Silver grey, Imola red leather, 95,000 miles, 5 owners. Quite a rare thing, unfortunately SMG, but this, you know, we can change that. Maybe one's not the right word, but won the car on a classic car auction.
Sold to the very tall but handsome man in the RAB jacket.
I don't think it met the reserve, but the next morning I found out that we were the lucky new custodians of this magnificent machine.
This doesn't actually shift down to first.
Love an E46 M3. I mean, who doesn't? I'm sure there are some people, but had one in this colour 13 years ago myself, saw it come up, thought, put a bid on that, didn't win it, great, then found out I did, okay. So bought it blind, brought it back down to site, driven it, that's all I've done, haven't even looked at it yet. Overall, very, very clean. Like, the wheel arches aren't all rusty, which is a big thing on these. It has had some paint. There are a few scratches on it. We need to machine polish it. That's, I mean, pretty much a given on a 21-year-old car. The big things for me are, is the Vanos okay? Is the rear carrier panel that the subframe connects to at the back, is that okay? Are the bottom end bearings okay? Is the head gasket gone? We don't know at this stage. Could end up being a very, very costly thing. Have planned to keep it because at the price that was paid, I actually think it's a really good value car. And having jumped back in one after so many years, the last one I had was about 5 years ago. Jumping back in it, there's a van coming. Jumping back in it, it's reminded me just how bloody good these cars are. It feels the right size for the roads, you feel like you've got the right amount of power, it sounds good, all the controls are clunky and like, it feels like you're in a well-built car, which, you know, I used to love owning mine.
Nice.
It's just timeless, isn't it? It's got some CSL replica wheels. The guy that had it before, he's put dampers on it, he's put brakes on it, put a set of tyres on it. It's kept it stock and standard, which is what we like. We don't want carbon fibre badges and shiny exhaust tips or anything like that. And I mean, this is what people are going after now, is the unmolested cars that, you know, when I was 19 years old and I saw these new, I was like, Christ, that is a nice car. How do I own one of those? And I had one a little while ago. Fucking car's locked, can't open the boot. So distinct lack of subwoofers, which is good.
Oh, we're going Halfords after this.
Yeah. They've got a box with blue neons inside it and an amplifier. Although I think it does have a 6-disc changer, so we can get all of our favourite dad rock in there. Unmodified, unmolested, and let me tell you, the interior is really nice in this thing. Haven't touched this car, so it's obviously crumbs and whatever on the floor. Steering wheel's a bit worn, we can sort that out. There's a man that repaints these in the same colour. But overall, the seats are in lovely shape. All the bolsters are nice, there's a little bit of wear there. But, you know, for a car that was bought blind, I think we've done quite well here. We haven't looked underneath it, and that'll be the point where we find out how much of a big mistake we've made. But, you know, it sometimes doesn't go down to first gear, and the rear diff sounds like it's about to fall out. But aside from that, I haven't found any faults yet. So what's the plan then? Well, the car is actually booked in for a full top to bottom specialist inspection with Darrett at Everything M3s. He knows these cars inside out, he's been doing them 10 years, and they're gonna tell us just how much of a financial hole we're in. That is gonna happen in 2 weeks' time. We'll get whatever relevant work done, and then I think drive this for summer, maybe take it to Wales and drive the roads there, enjoy the car. It is one of those cars that you can just enjoy. It's not ridiculously fast, it's not ridiculously expensive, and people love to talk about them and experience them. So that's the general plan for now, is get it working, buy some new trims to make it quite nice overall, and enjoy the car. So that's enough talking about it. Scott's hands and arms are about to fall off because it's so cold out here. Let's go and drive it, listen to the noises, experience it, and get a feel for it.
Oh, it shifted down to first. Well done. Oh, that's because it's in sport. Ooh. So in auto, this doesn't actually shift down to first, which is a bit of a problem. Oh, just love this car. Listen to it. The girth of the steering wheel is just right. For anyone that's had an M Sport E46, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Is it going to go into first? No, so we have got an issue there. It's not going down to first, so I have to do that manually. It hasn't been lowered either, which is nice. It hasn't got wheel spacers, so it's not all over the place, and it's got compliant suspension. Probably needs a geo. It has had some new suspension arms, but it does feel pretty good. Fantastic. What a car these are. If you're looking for a weekend bit of fun, oh my god. Get nice weight to the steering. That is key. It's probably the best thing about the older cars. Hydraulic steering. You just get that feedback and that weight in the steering. It's so nice. I'm under no illusion that this car will need some work. Hopefully it's not over $5,000 worth, because that would be a real shame. But if this car is going to hang around for quite a while and we're going to keep it, then I think it'd be worth doing, because the interior is absolutely lovely. Look at it all. It's undamaged. A little bit of wear around here, a few scratches. That's kind of to be expected. A few scratches there. But overall, it's lovely. Oh. Too much caffeine.